Sweet potatoes, corn, and other naturally starchy vegetables offer a beautiful combination of comfort, nourishment, and metabolic support. While often celebrated for their rich flavors and satisfying textures, these plant-based staples are also quietly powerful sources of essential nutrients, particularly B vitamins like B6, pyridoxine, and folate B9, as well as dietary fiber. What makes these foods so valuable is how seamlessly they combine complex carbohydrates with the very nutrients needed to help the body convert those carbs into usable energy, all within a matrix of whole, minimally processed nutrition. Choosing these naturally starchy foods means not only fueling the body with slow-releasing energy, but also supporting the vital enzymatic reactions that allow that energy to be fully utilized. Sweet potatoes are a shining example of this synergy between fuel and function. Rich in complex carbohydrates, they provide a steady stream of glucose that the body can draw upon gradually, avoiding the blood sugar spikes that often come with more refined starches. But what elevates sweet potatoes from simple fuel to true nourishment is their notable B6 content. Vitamin B6 plays a key role in carbohydrate metabolism, particularly in the conversion of glycogen, our stored form of glucose, into energy during times of fasting or increased physical activity. This makes sweet potatoes not just ideal for passive nourishment, but also for active lifestyles, supporting endurance and stamina. Beyond energy, B6 also contributes to the synthesis of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which means these comforting root vegetables can subtly support mood and mental well-being as well. Folate, another important B vitamin found in sweet potatoes and other starchy vegetables, supports cell division and DNA synthesis. It's particularly important during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy and adolescence, but it plays a lifelong role in maintaining cardiovascular health and supporting the production of red blood cells. When we consume foods like sweet potatoes, we're getting folate in its natural form, paired with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which enhance its absorption and function. This natural form of folate, unlike synthetic folic acid found in supplements or fortified foods, comes embedded in a food matrix that the body is well equipped to handle efficiently. Corn, often misunderstood as just a filler or sweetened snack ingredient, is actually a nutrient-dense whole food when enjoyed in its less processed forms. Whole corn, corn on the cob, and even traditional preparations like masa, used in tortillas and tamales, are rich in complex starches, along with meaningful amounts of B6 and folate. Corn also contains a variety of antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health, and a good amount of fiber, especially when consumed as a whole kernel. The fiber in corn helps slow the digestion of carbohydrates, aiding in blood sugar regulation and improving satiety. When prepared simply, grilled, roasted, or steamed, corn is a naturally satisfying food that supports metabolic balance without requiring enrichment or processing. Other starchy vegetables like butternut squash, parsnips, and green peas also contribute to daily B vitamin intake in a deeply nourishing way. These vegetables bring their own balance of B6, folate, and fiber to the table, along with a host of complementary nutrients such as magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C. They offer a colorful, flavorful variety that makes it easy to create nutrient-dense meals without relying on supplements or highly fortified foods. In this way, they reflect the intelligence of whole food nutrition, where vitamins and minerals work synergistically with other components of the food to support optimal absorption and function in the body. From a practical standpoint, incorporating more of these natural starches into everyday meals is both easy and enjoyable. A warm bowl of roasted sweet potatoes and corn with black beans and avocado offers a rich blend of B vitamins, fiber, and healthy fats. A vegetable stew featuring squash, peas, and carrots becomes a hearty, comforting meal that naturally supports digestion and energy. Even a simple lunch of leftover baked sweet potato with a handful of leafy greens and a boiled egg can create a balance of slow-burning fuel and micronutrients that energize the afternoon. The beauty of these starchy vegetables is that they don't require modification or fortification to deliver meaningful nutrition. They are naturally balanced foods that supply not only calories but also the enzymes, coenzymes, and structural components the body needs to thrive. Their fiber content supports gut health and regularity, while their vitamin profile enhances everything from red blood cell formation to brain function. And because they are so flavorful and versatile, they can easily replace more refined starches in meals without sacrificing satisfaction or appeal. In a time when nutrition can feel complicated or commercialized, foods like sweet potatoes and corn remind us of the profound nourishment that nature offers in its simplest forms. They serve as a testament to the idea that real food, prepared with care, has everything the body needs to maintain energy, mood, and metabolic balance. Choosing these vegetables isn't just a culinary decision, it's a commitment to holistic health that begins on the plate and radiates throughout daily life.